Today I will be teaching you how to do the very basic granny square, one color of thread. When you learn how to do the basic granny square, you can do a lot of things like even blouse, bag, or anything that you could think of because the granny square is very versatile. So to start the granny square, do a slip knot. So I'm using a thicker thread so you can see all my stitches. And instead of using a magic ring, I will do the very basic and I'll be using or doing chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then join in the first chain stitch by using a slip stitch. So now this is the center of the circle. You will put 12 double crochets inside the ring. We start by doing a chain 3. So chain 3, 2, 3. This will be counted as one double crochet. So yarn over. So we will do 2 double crochets here inside the ring. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. So that's the second double crochet. Another one. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We will do a corner, and to do a corner, let us do chain 2. So 1, 2. And in the ring again, do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2. By the way, I'm hiding the tail underneath the stitches. Yarn over once. Then this is my third double crochet. We will do a corner again, and to do a corner, chain 2. 3 double crochets again here inside the ring. So 1, 2, 3. We will do another or the third corner, chain 2. And the last 3 double crochets inside the ring. So this is 1, 2, 3. So to do the fourth corner, chain 2. 1, 2, and slip stitch on the third chain that we did earlier. So slip stitch. This is we have now completed the first round. Okay. So let us do our second round. Chain 3. Do 2 double crochets in this space, chain 2 space. So 1, 2. This will be the side of the square. So let us do chain 1. If you are doing loose, if you crochet loosely, you can skip the chain 1. But in this case, I will do chain 1 when it is on the side of the granny square. So 3, you go to the corner, do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. We will do again a corner. So chain 2. Done. I think my thread. So chain 2 to make a corner. Then 3 double crochets in the same chain 2 space. So, 1, 2, 3. This is a side, so chain 1 and then do the next corner. And we will meet up when you reach this portion. So now I am towards the last side, so chain 1 and then in this last corner, do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and join in the third chain from in our start of the granny square. So now that is our round 2, and you can add as much as you want or how big your granny square. You can just continue doing the same pattern. So we will start the third round, chain 3, do 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. So 1, 2, and then now we go to the corner, the side. So we only use chain 1, and in this corner, this is a side, so you only do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and then chain 1 again. That's my cuckoo clock. So do a corner here. So 3 double crochets. So the pattern will just be repeating in every side and corner. So when you're doing side, you just do chain 1. But when you are in a corner, then you do chain 2. Like this one is chain 2. And then in the same chain 2 space, do another 3 double crochets. So that is how we will do our basic granny square. I'll show it to you when we are done or when we reach this part, so I will show you how to join again. Now on our last corner, so I already chained 1, so I will do 3 double crochets in the chain 2 space to do the last corner. So chain 2 and then slip stitch in the third chain. Okay. Now we are on we finished round 3. And I told you, you can do as much rounds as you want. Okay. I hope you have learned a lot. And please subscribe and share my video. Smile and be happy.